We'll guide you through how to make AutoCAD print black and white. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by launching AutoCAD. Double-click the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or select it from the Start menu to open the application. After AutoCAD has loaded, open a drawing by clicking New to create a new drawing or Open to open an existing .dwg file. After that, verify that all objects, text, dimensions, and annotations are complete and ready for printing. Next, open the Plot dialog box by pressing Ctrl+P on your keyboard, or click the Application menu, icon in the upper left corner, and select Print, then Plot. In the Printer/Plotter section, click the Name drop-down menu and choose your preferred printer or DWG to PDF.PC3 to create a PDF. Under Paper Size, select the paper size that matches your drawing, such as A4, A3, A2, A1, or A0. In the Plot Area section, choose Display, Limits, or Window. If you select Window, click the Window button and choose the area of the drawing to print. Set the plot scale by selecting Fit to Paper or choose a custom scale, such as 1:1, 150, or 1:100. Select Portrait or Landscape under Drawing Orientation. Then, locate the Plot Style table, Pen Assignments, and choose Monochrome.ctb to print the drawing in black and white. Click Yes if prompted, then select Preview to review the drawing. Close the preview and click OK to print. Finally, open the printed document or PDF and confirm that the drawing is displayed correctly in black with proper line weights and no missing content, while maintaining excellent print quality.